Well, hello everyone. It's your Jamaican girl Norleen. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen, and I have for you another authentic Jamaican meal. To my new subscribers, welcome. You're indeed out for a treat. Remember to give me some thumbs up, like my video, share your thoughts in the comment section, and you can follow me on other social media sites at Wim's Kitchen. Happy Easter to my whimsical family. Now, guys, as you can see, I have my chicken wings. They're done seasoned, done clean, done marinate. And on the plate, I have my favorite season, my McCormick steak season, some tropical season, some black pepper, some garlic and parsley, ground allspice, some cilantro and basil, and a quarter cup of flour. I will move straight to adding an egg and mix well over my chicken. Now, guys, the intention was to do a dry rub. If you want to do that, you can do that. Just mix all the flour into the seasoning and then you add your chicken to it. But I change in mid-air. I add about a quarter cup of water to this and change it into a batter. To all my whimsical celebrants, I see you. Know that Whims love, appreciate, and celebrate you. Happy birthday, happy anniversary, or happy whatever milestone you are celebrating in your life. All right, so my batter have been sitting on my chicken for about 10 minutes, guys. I simply add non-stick spray to my air frying pan and then add the pieces of chicken. Now, family and friends, if you have never had air fried chicken, I'm gonna ask you to invest in one. It is inexpensive and it makes your chicken much healthier and it is also delicious. So guys, I set my temperature on 325 degrees on 20 minutes. One side is all done, and so I'm gonna turn it over and set my timer on 15 minutes to do the other side. Now guys, after 15 minutes, I'll come back and let you see what I have. Now guys, now look at this. Chicken don't look good, don't look proper, don't. Oh my gosh, done to the bone. Now guys, I'm gonna remove this and then I'm simply gonna add the second batch of chicken. Now guys, I add every part of my chicken wing, the drumlet, the straight, the tip, every part I've used in this recipe. Now just look on this. Now this looks so inviting already, but I'm not quite ready yet because I have the food for thought for you. The food for thought comes to us from Isaiah 30 verse 21. It says, "And thine ear shall hear a word behind thee saying, This is the way, walk ye in it, when he turned to the right hand and when he turned to the left." I want you to know that you have the confidence to go to God boldly. God doesn't desire for us to make mistakes. He wants what is best for us. And so the ever presence of the Holy Spirit is here to guide and to instruct us. We can boldly go to God knowing that He will direct our path. Now, while the last batch of chicken is in the air fryer, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to that, some finely chopped garlic and some onions. I'm gonna stir that in and leave it to flavor my already flavorful oil. Now, guys, in 2 tablespoons of brown gravy, I've added about a quarter cup of water. I've added to that my main ingredients, which are my mustard and my honey. Now, guys, I'm gonna season it up, spice that up with some little more flavor. You know, Caribbean people, we love our flavor bad. Now guys, I'm stirring this all in and add this to my onion. I'm gonna add to that, people, see how it look? It's not ready yet, not quite. I will add to that some hot pepper sauce. This is the Scotch bonnet pepper sauce, and then I'm gonna add some cloves. I'm gonna add to that some more honey. Now this is where you get the flavor from. About a quarter cup of honey. Stir it in, add me some peppers in that, and I'm just gonna leave this until it's reduced. Now people, look on it. When you see it start thick up, so you know it is almost ready. So guys, I move all my chicken into one bowl, into a large bowl, and just look how much oil that was seeped from out of the chicken, guys. Now it's time to put around the goodness on the chicken. I've placed the honey mustard sauce all over the air fried chicken and stir this in, cover it up for about 5 minutes, guys. So all of the flavors them seep into the chicken. And guys, I know you can't wait to try this next time you are in your kitchen. It has been my pleasure doing for you honey mustard chicken wings, Jamaican style. Good. It's once again another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. There it is, guys, looking good. No, guys, I have to share my experience with you because I know you're dying to know how this tastes. So I have my flat part of the wing, guys. I'm gonna go in on it. Good. A right amount of honey, right amount of spice. Boy, this is so good. All right, done. 3 bites, and it's done. I'll see you next week, guys, where Whips will have for you another authentic Jamaican meal. See you next week. Mwah. See you next week, guys.